always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
Is it a sheep?
That's right! It's a black sheep.
Ooh, I want to paint a black sheep too. Let's see. A little bit here. Oh,
What's the matter, Hedgehog?
my painting looks awful. It doesn't look like a sheep at all.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't like my sheep. Ooh, I have an idea. Okay, I'm done.
Wow, that's a lot of black.
I didn't like how my sheep was turning out, so I made it a big fluffy sheep.
I like it.
Mr. Goose, can we make black the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting black.
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color black. Black is here and there. I see it everywhere. Black is all around, in the sky and on the ground. Bum, 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 bum.
I'm crunching leaves, but only black leaves. again. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Which ant is black? There it is! Black ant. Which dog is black? There it is! Black dog. Which feather is black? There it is! Black feather. Which bowl is black? There it is! Black bowl. Very good! It's story time!
Yay!
Gather round, everyone!
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Billy to the Rescue. It's about a fire truck who is worried about something. I wonder what it is. Let's begin. Billy to the Rescue. Written by Mamaloko Selepe. Illustrated by Samantha Van Riot. Billy is a fire engine. Fire! Fire! Says a firefighter. Oh no! Let's go! Says another. But Billy loves being clean and shiny. I don't want to get dirty, he says. Billy, the animals need you, say the firefighters. Billy, the plants need you. Billy, the people need you. Please, Billy, we all need you. Am I that important? Billy asks. Yes, you are. Let's go. Thank you, Billy, everyone shouts. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a new song. It's called Home on the Range. I'll sing the verse and then we'll learn the chorus together. Here we go. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Okay, now everybody sing!
That's a lot of words, Mr. Frog.
Yes, it is, Monkey. Just do the best you can. And if you don't know the words, just hum along. Like this. That's it. Okay, here we go. Oh, give me a home a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Well done!
And I learned some of the words, Mr. Frog.
Yes, you did, Monkey. I heard you singing. See you all soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Frog!
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Squares. Stars. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look!
Here's Monkey with a healthy habit.
Let's wash our hands. Make sure your hands are wet and you've got plenty of soap. If you know the words, sing along with me. First you rub your hands together and then you scrub the backs. Slide your fingers in between, I think you've got the knack. Then you grip your hands together, then twist around your thumbs. Rub your fingers on your hands, and after that you're done. Now rinse your hands and dry them off. Let's show off our clean hands. Yay! Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, don't you cry. Go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dappled and grays, dancing through the sky. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses. white little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses